iPhone 14 Pro Max is going to get a really amazing feature which will change a lot in iPhones. And according to the news, iPhone 14 Pro Max is going to get a satellite connectivity feature, and Apple could announce this feature in the upcoming Apple event. And for this, Apple is going to partner with Global Store to make it happen. Now, how this feature works? Well, it will only work in an emergency situation where you cannot access your cellular connectivity, and by having this you can actually make calls or send messages, but it will be restricted and only used when needed. And there's one big feature we might see that was never introduced in the previous iPhones, but this still not justify the price, because you guys might be shocked to see the iPhone 14 Pro Max 512 gigs and 1TB version price. Apple is going to introduce two new colors on the iPhone 14 Pro. The first one is purple and the new blue color. And this is certain that you guys might get a same user experience as you guys are getting with the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Yes, the price is high for the upcoming iPhone 14 lineup, and don't get surprised to see a $100 jump. It will cost you around $1199 for base model iPhone 14 Pro Max, but you guys might be surprised to see that iPhone 14 Pro Max 512 gigs version and 1TB version will cost $1599 and $1699 respectively, nearly catching up the price of new Galaxy foldable devices, which is not good. By the way, if you're still watching, giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel would be much appreciated. Although iPhone 14 Pro Max is expensive, but it brings some of the new features which was expected a years ago. Getting a higher resolution camera and new pill hole display, but this doesn't change much. With the new 48 megapixel camera increase and pill hole display works the same as the notch, and you barely notice after you get used to it. According to the source who hands on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, Apple invitation says 4 out, which means we might get a space zoom feature on the iPhone 14 Pro Max with having a Galaxy type logo in the invitation. And according to the invitation, the iPhone 14 Pro Max is going to launch on September 7th, and pre-orders will start on 9th of September. The phones will hit the market on September 16th. And because of recession, Apple is launching iPhones ahead of its time. And you guys might see the iOS 16 on the same day as iPhone 14 launch. So that is all for today's video. But wait, if you came this far, drop a like and subscribe to the channel would be much appreciated. And let me know in the comment section, did you like the new feature of iPhone 14 Pro Max? And what are your thoughts on Space Zoom? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.